Morning everybody, Brent here with Dust to Glory Pressure Washing. We are doing a roof cleaning, a house cleaning, and driveway cleaning today. If we have enough time, we're going to get to the driveway today. If not, then we're going to come back tomorrow and hit the driveway. I'm going to take you all along with us today, kind of let you see the job, do some time lapses, and let you see how we can get your dirty roof clean and looking new again. If your roof has these black streaks on it, then you don't need to replace your roof. You just need to call us, let us come clean it up, and I'll let you see the before and afters so you know exactly what I'm talking about. But here is what it looks like now. So we're gonna spray a chemical that's gonna clean the shingles. It's actually what the roofing manufacturers recommend you clean shingles with. There's no high pressure, it's all low pressure, and I'm gonna demonstrate that for y'all today. You can see all this moss right here, all the algae, Glioxapsomagma, all that's going to be taken off, and it's going to look beautiful again. So y'all come along with us and I'll show you how we get things done. Guys, I don't know if y'all can hear me or not. This is our gutter tool. Hook this up, and you can flush out the gutters. Alright guys, so we have all the gutters cleaned out. Dylan's over there wetting down the plants. I've got all the gutters bagged. All the gutters bagged. I've got all the fixtures taped off, plugs taped off, everything's taped off. We're about to start on this roof, so let's get started. we are getting there. That's just a shadow from the tree. Gonna have to hit a couple spots. Go over here on this edge, up top a little bit. But you can see all this moss is dying. And after a couple good rains, this stuff will be gone. So all that moss is dying right now. And we washed the front of the house. Dylan's in here rinsing. Looking good. Oh yeah. Well guys, we're getting close. Still got a little bit of the roof that's drying, but man, what a difference. Alright guys, we got all the pre-treatment on the concrete, so getting close.